Hello, we are very close to designing our website, and for that we have to learn CSS, and this is the first part of it. Students, and today we'll be learning about some. So, what exactly I actually want to do over here is I want to talk about the inline styling. Correct. So, that's what I want to do it over here. Okay, so just give me 1 second. Okay, so that's what I want to do here. Now this CSS is basically what? Cascading style sheets. So I'll just put this view here, maybe like this. I'm going to say H2 and I'm going to write cascading style sheet. Okay, and I have H2 this way. Okay, why do we use CSS? See, basically HTML is the body. Basically, it is the skeleton of your web page. But if you have to decorate it, if you have to color it up, then you need the styling. And CSS is part of that. Now today what I want to discuss over here is I want to discuss about the inline styling. Okay, so what do you mean by inline styling? Inline styling as in means that how do I do this? I'll go to the body tag. So inline means from here we have to start off. So how will you do this? You're going to write it like this. See, style, then you will say equal to, and then you have the background color, and then maybe you're going to say the color is pink. So see, here you have the background color as pink. That's what we are trying to say here. Now suppose if I have to change this heading color, this CSS, this and all. So what will I do? I'll do the same thing over here as well. See, I'm going to write here. See, it came on its own style, and then what you have to change? You have to change, sorry, you have to change background color, and maybe you say to say yellow. All right. So can you see this? What happened here? This background color changed to yellow. Correct? Now suppose if I have to change the color of this one, the background color. Okay. So same thing we can do. We are going to write it like this. Say style. And now instead of background color, if I'm changing this simple color. See, now what happens here? Here the text has been colored like this. See, this is background change and this is text color change. So, and why do we call it inline? Because here itself you are doing like line by line, inline. That's what they are trying to say here. Here also we can do the same thing. Like again, you're going to put style, and suppose you want to make it say color, and maybe you can say instead of which color we should take, let's take it white. So see, this is white. Okay, stay tuned, and the upcoming video is on internal styling, and the link is in the description box. Please do like, subscribe.